A little cool this morning. This afternoon, though, expecting one of the warmest days in our 7-day forecast. So something to look forward to. You got yard work to get done. Maybe you need to get the grass mowed. Today is the day to do it because, well, we've got some rain on the way arriving into our region tonight. In fact, Friday's kind of a soggy day and a cool day at that as well. Most of that rain will be focused late tonight through Friday morning, and then behind the rain for this time of year, some very cold air. In fact, rare air actually moving this way for the first part of May, as we expect the possibility for some frost by Saturday morning. Waking up right now, though, temperatures back in the low to mid 40s across southern Illinois, a little warmer into the boot heel of Missouri. So yeah, it's a little cool this morning, but that sunshine is going to help us warm up quickly as we head through the morning hours. Live view from atop the Bald Knob Cross of Peace, looking back to the south and west, the Mississippi River there in the distance, and you see some fog actually hanging out in some of the low-lying valleys there. And we have been tracking clear skies through much of the overnight hours. A couple clouds just to our east, but high pressure will continue to sink to the south. So initially this morning, winds will be out of the west, turning more towards the southwest by this afternoon. Showers out across parts of Nebraska and Kansas. That is the rain that is moving this way. We'll be tracking that throughout the day today, expecting the arrival, though, not until tonight. We're dry through much of the daylight hours, just increasing clouds from the west through this afternoon. Here comes the rain, though, arriving into our region just after sunset, and by midnight, expecting widespread rain to be approaching our area from the west. It does appear the heaviest rain will likely fall anywhere from about 1 a.m. to about 7 a.m. Friday morning. As a storm system passes on by lunchtime, most of that rain on Friday is starting to exit the region, and by Friday afternoon we are starting to dry some things back out, but winds are going back out of the north and west, and that is going to usher in some very chilly air. Rainfall amounts increasing these just a bit, 3/4 of an inch to about 1.25 inches. So on average, we'll say about 1 inch across southern Illinois, a little less than that into western Kentucky and parts of southeast Missouri, but it is just a nice soaking rain expected late tonight through at least Friday morning. Here comes that blast of cold air. Big dip in the jet stream across the eastern U.S., expecting record low temperatures across areas of the Great Lakes. Around here, we're going to be very close to that. We'll also be tracking, of course, the potential for frost. Main things we can look for frost, in addition to the cold air, is cloud cover and wind. And it does appear that Friday evening, we will see clouds begin to clear out and winds will start to relax as high pressure moves in from the west. So that will maximize some of the cooling heading into Saturday morning. Our record low Saturday is 33 degrees, set back in 1960. Right now, we're forecasting a low temperature of about 34, and the highest risk for frost will actually come in southeastern Illinois, where temperatures could be a little bit cooler than that. So again, today, enjoy a pretty nice afternoon. At least temperatures will be a little warmer than yesterday. 69 degrees for a high temperature, increasing clouds. Rain holds off until tonight, though. By 9 p.m., tracking a couple of showers moving into the region, but better rain chances arrive closer to midnight. So rain is really focused through the first part of the day on Friday, starting to dry out Saturday morning, 34 degrees with sunshine in the afternoon. A high of only 61 in the afternoon there. Sunday, looking ahead to Mother's Day, a stray shower or two possible, but look at these temperatures. Morning temperatures, lower 40s, afternoon highs, low 60s through the early part of next week. Finally, by Wednesday, warming back up to near 70. Abby?